Apparently we're battling. So this is the Wingola battle. So now we gotta fly these around, see if we can smack into each other.
My battery.
One guy has decided to put a ducted fan on his. So that's that whiny noise you're hearing.
Those things are insanely fast.
With the ducted fan?
Yeah.
I can imagine.
Literally, the power all the way, like the throttle all the way back 1 or 2 clicks is going almost faster than these things will go full throttle. They're just crazy fast.
So we're just making tornadoes here.
There's pretty much no rules. You can go the other way if you want.
Yeah, I see one guy doing that. It's nice and centered. Just keep a left turn in there. Except for the guys flying the opposite way. Someone's got a little drone out there too. They do have a Facebook group. I don't know if they put this on YouTube. This will be on my YouTube.
They do.
But yeah, the guy flying the drone, like, he gets some pretty funny video. Oh, come back. We're good? Yes. Took a hit, kept on flying.
Nice.
Oh, I almost had the ducted fan. Oh, someone's going against the flow of traffic. So this will go on for a little while. I can, you know, edit some of this out and find, you know, moments of carnage. But yeah, this is what we do until it's last man standing.
Most people are just trying to stay in the air until you get down to like a half a dozen, and then people start really going after each other.
Mm-hmm. Nope. How did he save that? Oh, one went into the flight line.
Alright, I'm going the other way now.
I don't know how to make a right turn.
That's part of my problem.
Been flying left for so many.
I'm just going the other way to undizzy myself.
Yeah. What I don't want to do is hit you.
No.
We got a little
No,
camaraderie
do
here.
whatever you got to do, man.
No, what do you? It's last man standing. You win something?
I don't think so.
Oh.
He used to. They used to have like a 50-50 raffle, right? You'd pay to enter, and then
Oh, clipped one.
You pay like $5 to enter the combat,
Yeah.
and then last man standing got half the pool.
Ah, nice.
But I don't think they're doing that anymore. They should. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I won $60 one night with my little Hobby Zone champ.
Yeah. What are you talking about that? That the little yellow one?
Yeah, we were down to 3 airplanes, I think, and it just was going forever. And they were like, all right, fine, go ahead and land, and the closest one, you can't taxi up to it, closest one to the biggest airplane that had already crashed in the middle.
Yeah.
Closest one to that airplane wins. And the first guy down gets like 2 feet away. And I come in and hit him, and it flips over top of him and lands on its back with its tail pressed up against his face.
Perfect.
And I won. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I won $60 that night.
You guys are both together and you're both up.
Wasn't on purpose.
We've been cheating the whole time. I think the Navy plans to take out 0. I think the 0 needs to go down.
Oh my goodness. So many circles.
Take off on 3-1.
Yeah, come get me.
All right, guys. Combat's over. Flying formation. Yeah. Normal flying.
The blue and the green one.
I've been trying to mess them up.
It's hard going the other way.
I know.
Going left forever.
Yeah. It's like, wait, my thumb doesn't go that way.
No! No!
You almost got it. Okay, so we're down to the last 3. I'm going to do this target event. You see the 2 black targets out there?
Yeah.
When I call, we're going to see who can land closest to that or hit them.
Okay. I have very little practice with this thing.
You know, if you just told me that 30 seconds earlier, I wouldn't have gotten so aggressive. Ooh, you could win this, man. Oh,
I hit it.
you're still closer.
I don't think he wins those.
I hit it though.
Cheat. That's kind of cheating.
This is horseshoes though, I think.
There you go. Mayhem with the Wingola. Hey, always appreciate the support, guys. Hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you on this next one.